Can you think of a perfect square that divides into 75? Pause and think about it if you need to. I will be here waiting when you get back. But if you're sticking with me, let's start. Make this easy by listing out our perfect squares, and then we can choose which one might go into 75 evenly. So perfect square is just what you get when you multiply a number by itself. So 2 times 2 equals 4. 3 times 3 equals 9. Have you got the next one yet? 4 times 4 equals what? 16. Do you see any that go evenly into 75 yet? What about 5 times 5 equals... And that looks like a minus sign. It doesn't look like a times. So that gave you some extra time to think about it here, I think. So you might be thinking 25 goes into 75, doesn't it? Okay, so now let's combine that with the product rule. So the way we do that is, the left-hand side here is, we always start with our big number, which is 75. And then we're going to try 25, the perfect square, and let that be our A number. And then can you tell me what you multiply 25 by to get 75? 3, right? Like 3/4 is 75 cents. Okay. Awesome. Now it's really easy from here. We can say that square root of 75. All we have to do now is just plug in what we have on the right hand side here, because that's equal to what we have on the left. So we got square root of 25 times the square root of 3. Can we simplify this any further before we move on? What about square root of 25? That's just 5, right? Because what number times itself equals 25? That's what a square root is, right? So we can replace that with 5. And then no whole numbers times themselves is equal to 3. So that's not a perfect square, so we can't simplify that. So let's leave it like that for now.